Alright, ladies and gents, I will be showing you how to make bratwursts with sauerkraut. This should be fun. First step, most important step, is make sure to have a chef hat on at all times so you don't hurt your head. This is the only hat I could find, so it's gonna have to do. These are the ingredients: pan, bratwurst, sauerkraut, and pretzels. Pretzel buns. So there's gonna be an issue. We only have 4 buns and we have 5 brats, so one's gonna be missing out. Number 2 step, you're gonna prepare the sauerkraut because apparently that takes a long time to simmer. The next part is gonna be sauerkraut preparation. So first, we're just gonna cook the sauerkraut in some olive oil. I'm doing it right now. I'll show you. Alright. Got the olive oil in my hand. Can you see the pan? How do I flip the fucking... Oh no, it just takes... Well, we gotta fucking turn it off. Here's me putting olive oil in. Oh, that's good. Don't want to be too liberal with it. Oh, maybe a little more. Alright, that's good. That's the sauerkraut we're going to be putting in. Well, there's like, if I had a tripod right now, it's a lot of olive oil. I'll put too much in. So, wait. This is gonna hold it in my mouth. Uh-oh. Okay, so I put about half of the jar in there. I think that's enough for 5 brats. Alright, sauerkraut is cooking. Add some beer, and then we're gonna turn down the heat and let it simmer. Alright, I put the lid on. I poured the beer in, but I forgot to video that. Alright, now we're gonna wait for an hour because we have to let it simmer for an hour. I don't know if I mentioned that last video. Alright, I'm a little late on this too. I accidentally prepared it without the video. So I just sprayed some pan all over the pan. I think there should be a D on the end. Misspelling. But yeah, I put them all out there. I'm gonna flip them occasionally to see they're brown, golden brown. See how they look. Make sure they don't overburn. Sauerkraut's doing good. Looking good.
About that.
Alright, so I gave up with the directions, so I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end.